new world. The Red Planet has a story, and it begins now.
Mars Saga, episode The Silent History of Mars. Mars Saga presents a calm and detailed journey to the surface of Mars, a world shaped by time, dust, and silence. This episode explores the long natural history of the Red Planet, from its ancient beginnings to the quiet surface seen today. Mars formed more than 4 billion years ago from the same cloud of dust and gas that created Earth. In its early age, the planet was warmer and wetter. Volcanoes were active, the crust was young, and the atmosphere was thicker than it is now. Massive geological forces shaped the land, forming wide plains, deep valleys, and the largest volcanoes known in the solar system. The surface of Mars is covered with iron-rich dust. This dust gives the planet its red color and spreads across plains, hills, and craters. Over time, meteor impacts reshaped much of the landscape. Each impact left behind scars that remain visible today, preserved by the planet's dry and stable environment. One of the most important features of Mars is evidence of ancient water. Long, winding channels cut through rock formations suggest that rivers once flowed across the surface. Dry lake beds and mineral deposits show that water stayed in some areas for long periods. These signs point to a time when Mars may have had lakes, rivers, and possibly shallow seas. As the planet cooled, its magnetic field weakened. Without strong magnetic protection, solar winds slowly stripped away much of the atmosphere. The loss of atmosphere caused surface temperatures to drop. Liquid water disappeared, either freezing underground or escaping into space. Mars slowly changed from a potentially habitable world into a cold and dry desert planet. Today, the atmosphere of Mars is thin and made mostly of carbon dioxide. It cannot hold heat well, leading to extreme temperature changes. Days can be cold and nights can be freezing. Dust storms often rise from the surface, sometimes growing so large that they cover the entire planet for weeks. These storms reshape the surface by moving dust and sand across vast distances. The geology of Mars tells a story of long silence. Volcanoes such as Olympus Mons stand tall but inactive. Canyons like Valles Marineris stretch thousands of kilometers, formed by tectonic stress and erosion long ago. These features remain almost unchanged because Mars lacks rain, oceans, and active plate movement. Robotic missions have explored the planet for decades. Orbiters have mapped the surface in high detail, while rovers have traveled across rocky plains, studying soil and stone. These machines act as distant observers, recording chemical signatures and surface patterns. They have confirmed the presence of ancient water-related minerals and complex organic compounds locked inside rocks. Beneath the surface, Mars may still hold secrets. Ice exists at the poles and under layers of soil. In some regions, frozen water lies close to the surface, protected from sunlight. This underground ice is important for understanding the planet's climate history and its future use. The search for life on Mars focuses on the past. Scientists study ancient environments where water once existed. If life ever appeared on Mars, it likely existed billions of years ago, when conditions were more stable. Traces of that life, if preserved, would be microscopic and hidden within ancient rock layers. Looking ahead, Mars remains a destination for future exploration. Its resources, such as water ice and minerals, could support long-term robotic and scientific missions. Understanding the planet's environment helps prepare for deeper exploration, while also teaching valuable lessons about planetary change and survival. Mars stands today as a quiet world shaped by powerful forces and deep time. Its empty landscapes preserve memories of a different era. Every rock, valley, and dust plain records a chapter of planetary history written without sound. This episode of Mars Saga has explored the silent history of the Red Planet, a world that continues to reveal its story through careful observation and steady exploration. Thanks for watching.